Hi, everybody! Today, we will explore together an extremely interesting and inspiring journey on a plum farm located in the rich land of California, USA. This is where every year a large proportion of juicy plums are produced, and together we will learn from the moment the tiny plum trees are planted until the ripe plums are harvested and become a favorite dish on the table. Eat yours. Get ready for a memorable trip. Did you know that California produces 95% of all plums in the United States? That's right. With approximately 125,000 acres dedicated to these trees, California is the plum capital of the country. These orchards are a fruit lover's paradise. So what makes this place a hotspot for the plum industry? Let's find out. Like other fruit trees, plum trees are planted in the fall. This gives the plant time to develop roots before the growing season begins. Plums in the U.S. are mainly grown in California due to the state's ideal climate and soil conditions. California has a Mediterranean climate, with warm winters, dry summers, and low humidity, which is perfect for plum growing. In addition, soil in California is often rich in nutrients and has good drainage, helping plum trees grow strongly. These young plum trees usually take about 4 years to grow from planting until they can be harvested. Isn't it wonderful to think that in a few years this little tree will be covered with delicious, succulent plums? Winter is an important time on this farm. That's when these plants get a little extra care through careful pruning. This not only controls their growth, but also helps increase their yield in the coming season. It's like giving the tree a fresh start every year. Have you ever wondered what will happen when spring comes? That's when things really start to get interesting. In mid-February, these orchards are humming, literally. Millions of honeybees are introduced to pollinate the flowers. This is a sight you have to see to believe, and the scent here is truly amazing. Are you thinking of visiting an orchard during blooming season? Trust me, you won't regret it. You will be fascinated by the wonderful beauty of millions of white flowers, accompanied by a gentle scent spreading everywhere. This is truly an unforgettable experience. Of course, with all this new growth, the challenge is to protect these young buds. Farmers here use a special biological spray to prevent pests and diseases, ensuring plums grow healthily. And then, after more than 3 months since the flowers started blooming, we can see ripe plums on the tree. This is the farm's busiest time, with about 10,000 workers working hard to pick plums. This job is not easy, because plums are very soft and easily crushed. Do you see that man doing that? He's wearing a cap, a long-sleeved shirt, and a shoulder strap, looking very professional, right? He was carefully picking each plum from the tree, and these plums were truly wonderful, plump and an attractive dark purple color. In 2023, the United States produced about 390,000 tons of plums. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually 17 times less than the output of China, the world's top plum producer. Crazy, right? However, plums from California are famous around the world for their sweet and nutritious flavor. Therefore, this state exported about 60,000 tons of plums to major markets such as Europe and Asia. This proves that plums from California are always highly appreciated by global consumers. After picking, the plums will be put into the preliminary processing process. Each plum will be washed, sorted, and prepared for packaging. Have you ever tried prunes? Not only is this a delicious snack, it's also very healthy. Normally, plums to make prunes will be harvested by machine to save time and effort. Machinery used in harvesting plums includes tree vibrators and systems that collect plums after they fall. The tree vibrator will shake the tree trunk vigorously, causing the plums to fall. Then collection systems will pick up the fruit quickly and efficiently. Let's take a look at how productive these harvesting machines are. Now let's talk about what happens next. These plums are sent to processing plants, where they are processed into delicious dried plums. Fresh plums are thoroughly washed, then grilled to perfection, giving them a wonderfully sweet and rich flavor. Let me know in the comments if you're a plum fan. How do you like to enjoy them the most? So, we have gone through an exciting journey from the moment the plum tree is planted, cared for, until harvested and processed. Through this, we can see all the effort and enthusiasm of the farmers and workers working on plum farms in California. The delicious fresh plums that we enjoy every day are the result of that process. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos about agriculture and discover great farms around the world. See you in the next video.